the fantasy gets closer, looking out on my rocket ship as I fly away, away. All the bad guys out of sight, got my army by my side. Faster than the speed of light, we fly away, away. From a constellation where I'm a superhero, like I'm in an animation. Life is full of color and beautiful people who make our world magical and light up. Beautiful people, they call it supernatural and light up. The wind hits my red cape and my arms stretch to the west, passing by a shooting star down to the earth. We are heroes of our time, maybe of a different kind. No one can change our mind. We don't run away, away. From a constellation where I'm a superhero, like I'm in an animation. Life is full of color and beautiful people who make our world magical and light up. Beautiful people, they call it supernatural and light up.
The last Oasis walk. Oh, directed by Kundan.
Let go, let go. I just wanna let go, let go, let go, let go. I just wanna let go. From a constellation where I'm a superhero, like I'm in an animation. Life is full of color. From a constellation.
We will show whatever we are doing here. Some B-rolls of this lake, birds, people taking camera, shooting.
Take my photo.